The silver is set to become extinct by year 2020 according to geologists. In fact, there are only 300 million ounces left underground to be mined. Silver to become a rare earth metal in the near future. Silver, besides being a precious metal, is also a consumable industry metal, so it is being used up. Compare that to the 95% gold ever found, which is still around either in vaults or in people's possession. Silver is extremely undervalued in today's market. In 1480, the price of 1 ounce of silver was equal to 1 ounce of gold. The total amount of above-ground silver in the world on a per capita basis is less than 1/4 of an ounce per person. Silver is a vital commodity to our way of life. Silver is a precious metal that is being trashed as an industrial metal. As a result, it is within years of becoming the first metal to become extinct according to the U.S. Geologists Society. At some point the shortage is going to become so obvious that people are going to rush to turn in their depreciating dollars for real silver money. That is just the monetary demand of silver. The industrial and strategic demand is another huge factor we should consider. Silver is a precious metal, a monetary metal and an industrial metal. Industry alone requires over 900 million ounces each year. Silver has antibiotic, antibacterial, antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Silver is used in dentistry, photography, electronics, mirrors, optics, medicine, in clothing, in missile circuitry and in solar panels. Silver is the best thermal conductor of all metals and the best electrical conductor. Silver is also an important catalyst in chemical processing. As far as getting it out of the ground, 75% of silver is a byproduct of mining other metal, only 25% is primary product of mining, that will take energy, which seems to be only getting more expensive. China is now the world's third largest silver miner after Mexico and Peru, and the world's largest silver refiner. The American Geologists Society have predicted that silver will be the first element of the periodic table to run out by 2020. Physical silver outperformed the mining stocks by 4 times during the last bull market. Only about 2% of COMEX silver contracts are actually settled by physical delivery, and the rest are settled for cash or rolled over. Decades of market manipulation has made silver the most underpriced commodity in history. Be thankful that you have realized this in time to capitalize. JPM and HSBC are behind the big silver short. Get yourself some physical silver and take possession if you want any certainty of cashing in before the paper silver derivatives become worthless. The COMEX does not have the 103 million ounces they claim to have. Renowned investor Eric Sprott said, "Silver is the investment of this decade," while Rich Dad Poor Dad Robert Kiyosaki said, "Silver is the best hedge against inflation, it is the biggest sleeper of all, a smoking deal." Silver shortage to send price soaring above $20 in 2019, Jason Hamlin wrote recently on Kitco. This deficit hasn't been enough to boost prices in recent years, as the silver price has followed gold lower. But the accumulative effect is likely to generate a significant spike in the silver price this year. In fact, we are forecasting that the silver price will climb back above $20 per ounce during 2019 and challenge all-time highs around $50 per ounce by 2021, he added. Get in on the bonanza and get your physical silver today while it is still available at an affordable price. In the next few years you may lose your ability to get in on one of the greatest investments that will protect your financial security when the dollar implodes and economic chaos appears in your area. You will be happy you did. As low supply coupled with high demand will push the price to skyrocket. So get your physical silver today and stay long. This was the Atlantis Report. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.